Okay, guys, so today we're going to do a quick review of the thing we were talking about right before spring break, and that was balanced and unbalanced forces. So I'm going to show you a quick demonstration here to remind you about what you learned about it, and then you'll do an IXL, screenshot that, submit it. You'll take a quick review assessment of balanced and unbalanced forces, and then we'll move on from there to your next assignment, okay? So I'm expecting this to take about half the period, 20, 30 minutes tops. And then we'll move on to the next thing. All right. So real quick, reminder that balanced forces mean no change in motion. Unbalanced forces mean change in motion. So whatever the object was doing, whether it was at rest or whether it was already in motion, if the forces become balanced, then the object keeps doing whatever it does, whatever it was doing. If the forces become unbalanced, then the object changes. So let's look at that here in this little situation one more time. We have a cart. It's not moving. It's at rest. And so if you'll notice right up here, the sum of the forces are zero. That's the same thing as net force. So net forces are zero. That means they're balanced. So this cart is going to keep doing what it's doing, which means it's going to stay at rest. Now, if I quickly put one of these carts in motion just for a second and just barely get it in motion, the cart is already moving, right? You'll notice that when I pulled the guy off of it, the forces went back to zero. So the cart is going to keep doing whatever it was doing when I balanced the forces, which it was already moving. So it's going to keep moving in the same direction at the exact same speed until the forces become unbalanced. So now I'm going to unbalance the forces again. And you'll notice that the forces are not zero. There is a net force. It's going in that direction. And so the force changed. I'm going to balance them again. The cart's going to continue moving in that direction at the same speed. So again, balanced forces mean the cart keeps doing whatever it was doing. Unbalanced forces change the direction or change the speed of the object. Okay, and that's your review. So now I'll go on to IXL, and then after that you can do the post assessment. All right.